Hello again, game designers. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to export your objects from Maya to Unity. So first things first, let's go ahead and open up our Unity project. And let's go ahead and use our semester 2 project. And we're going to go open back Maya. So in Maya, let's go ahead and choose one of our scenes to one of our objects. So I'm going to pick the shuriken. And go ahead and open that. So let's say I want to export this shuriken into Unity. So what you're going to do is make sure you have your object selected, and the three things you want to do with your object is to clear any history that you may have. So we're going to click on delete construction history, and then we're going to make sure that we center the pivot. You can use the move tool to see here that the pivot of our object is smack in the middle, and then we're going to click on freeze transformation, and we are ready to go. So now we're going to go to file, and we're going to go to export selection, and we're going to export it as FBX export. Now this is the kind of the way that Unity identifies objects. Now if you don't have XBX export, it's because you didn't or we didn't import the package for you, but you can also use Mayabinary, and that will also work as well. So you can either export it as Mayabinary or FBX export. And we're going to click on export selection, and for now we're just going to put it on our desktop. I'm going to call it my shuriken tutorial. Okay, and go ahead and click on export. Now if you export it correctly, you will see that the object will be on our desktop, and it will have the Unity icon and is ready to import. Now go ahead and open up Unity. This is Unity, our 3D game kit. I'm going to go ahead and go to the project, and you can see that we have our assets here. And I'm going to right click, and let's go ahead and create a folder. So if you haven't already done so, I want you to right click on empty space, go to create and folder, and you should always create a folder inside the assets folder called my assets. Okay, so you're going to create a folder called my assets to store all the things that you created. As you can see here, I already imported it several times, but right now we're going to import it again. You're going to right click on your my assets folder, go to import new asset, and go and click on your desktop and go and find that object file that you created. I'm going to click on my shuriken 5, select import, and now you will have a Unity object that you can go ahead and drag into your scene. So here I drag my shuriken, and when Unity imports it, it imports to default size. If you just need to increase it, just go ahead and click on R, and I'm going to enlarge the shuriken. And now we have the shuriken inside our game.